and that'll keep me safe from lightning. Hopefully. So here, suck it lightning. Oh, shh. Yeah, I feel so safe. Hello and welcome back to Pertam. I'm Mick, we're playing Space Engineers. And we're back here at the wireframe. Well, we've got our production up, we've got our manufacturing up, our refineries are up, so it's time to get some serious building done. We've got some batteries, plenty of power. First up, we get our refineries going. So first things first, let's do something about this. Yeah, missed. Get this drill going, and we shall have another shot at our dig. Right, full extension. We have our drill pistons. Drill pistons, we can set them to 0.02, that'll probably do us. And let them do their thing. So, step 1, right, step 2, we got to get more power. Whee! We can do that by grabbing our wind turbine. No. Okay, production. I think better get. Maybe I'll get a few more of them running first. Okay, so let's go to plan B. Let's get our production up and running then, shall we? Because I can have plates. So right here, I'll grab a programmable block. What better place to control our production than from sitting right on top of our assembler. Displays, okay. There'll be some displays while you're there. Right, we have a programmable block. And from that we're going to use Izzy's inventory manager. And we'll use that to manage our production as well. Pretty simple setup. We need one of them, and that one will handle the inventory sorting. We don't really want the inventory sorting. What I do want is a display. I think we want a text. LCD panels, text panel, I think that's the one we want. That's the like television one, yeah. So if I grab that, yeah, don't worry about the glass. Put that down here. Stand back. I think we can rotate that. Have you going? And yeah, I can rotate it there. Programmable block. We'll call this our production. PRODUCTION. Now we shall edit that. Browse. Izzy's inventory manager. He has got a program for pretty much everything. Now we need to configure it. We've got a few settings up at the start of it here. Now we need an LCD with the word auto crafting in the name of it, and that's what we'll do. We've disabled the naming of containers, we've disabled the percentage fills, and we've disabled the ore handling. So we check the code, we're still good, and hit OK. And away it goes, it's tell you it's doing everything it has to do. Now we go into here, text panel, auto crafting, just call it that. That's all you got to do. Close out of that, and bingo, it only brings up this list for you. It should be all the items that it's actually found in the system. And we press OK, it should remove all the ones we've said to ignore. Oop, and everything else has been put into production. It just says ones to wait on. It's doing it, telling us which assembler and how many they've placed in each one of them there. So that should build all of our materials up. So if I look at the assembler, oh, there it is. It's had all this stuff chucked in the assembler. Probably got the basic assembler going as well, has it? It certainly has. That's okay. And so that is up and running. That'll make sure that we always have a supply. As soon as we pull some things out, it'll remake them. Right, so that's got our production back into, well, production. Now, get rid of you. I shall put in the speed. I think I shall grab 2 speed and 2 efficiency, because the yield modules won't do us any good at the moment because I haven't got any gold. There we go. Speed module 1. Just double the speed of our refinery. Okay, we'll make a few modifications to our tower here. I think we'll actually put some batteries around the bottom. Because, well, we're probably going to come back to it at some stage. If we wander away and do some of the things there, we may want to come back to it. It'd be handy if it could actually hold some charge while we're not here. And then we just turn up and just suck all the power out of the batteries instead of having to wait until we charge from the turbine. So we'll put them there, and that'll hopefully speed things up when when I head off in a direction and get completely lost and end up back here where I started. That's the way it goes. So I shall put some batteries in. Yep. For where are you? Oh, I think we're good. Oh, that one's close. No, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good.
Energy low.
And another wind turbine. Okay, we seem to be running short of nickel, so it might be time for me to take a bit of a run to the nickel mine. What have I got in here? Not much. Right, nickel. Yep. Whee! Now we had nickel over by the magnesium, so that's not hard to find. Just beside this tree. Oh, oops! Tree almost bit back. Cool. Load of nickel on the way. Oh, I probably should have marked the location of my base, but I can see it over there, so it's not a big issue. I can see it during the day. I should probably better put a GPS on there so as I can, well, you know, get lost, as usually happens. And a way to unload it all would be probably pretty handy as well. Right. Yep. Right. I shall plug you back in. This isn't enough. I probably need to just build a whole new tower. So they're probably not optimised with their locations, but yeah, who really cares? They're good enough. They're better than nothing. So they're still building stuff. That might be in the Not in the assembler, it's probably in the basic assembler. Yeah. So we might actually go with the basic assembler. We shall call that manual. So that way, Izzy won't try and use that one, it'll just use the main assembler. So there we go, we're going again now. That's what we want to see. Of course it means it won't use both assemblers, but it'll get it done. Right, so we want to build. We might want to get our turrets up pretty soon. So, gee, you're clear. So if I get you up, I can then get a turret on board, and so if we get to a well, I suppose we'll be able to shoot down any meteorites that do get too close, and it will also be able to fend off any asserts that may get a little too over friendly. If I can get up there. If I can get up there. There we go. Now, I may put in, it's just a conveyor junction, I might put in an armoured conveyor, because we do have them as a mod. Conveyors, conveyor junction, I do have an armoured conveyor straight. So that's just got a bit of a steel plate on it there, just a little bit stronger. And gat, I can put you down. If I can find no grids. Right. Okay, that is that threat. Well, reduced, not taken care of, but reduced. I think I've hardly got any ammo for it, I do believe. No, I got 5 boxes in there, we're doing alright. They're not great, but we're doing alright. Okay, so let's move this drill. I shall just... and away we go again. Right, so we've got our guns up, we've got our production up, we've got some nickel, our production's happening. We see we weren't, why didn't the grids come up before? So how about we get us say 20 grids, and solar cells, you weren't there before, we probably need 50 of you, displays, yeah, 20. And okay, right. Let's start building. Gee, now we have a cockpit just in time. Ah, there we go. She's still looking like a wireframe. Got some little bit of solid in there. Now that's next charge up. Right, back to it. Plate. You. I was suggested to, instead of using the lockers to seal them up, we use the passages. Something I just completely forget about. these things here. Yeah, okay. I can go with that. Well, they're using a fair bit of stuff. Right. There we go. That adds a little bit more interest. I could probably even put one on the wall because we have the half passage I could put over there as well. Which is that one there. Let's get rid of them and pull the objects for that. I'll put you in there, that'll add a bit more interest, and it'll put a roof on it. And we're using stuff here that the poor old assembler can't keep up with me. Now, probably dark, so instead of putting a walkway there, we've got these new panel lights, which we can put in like that. So that'll give me a floor and a light. Well, it's got a weird danger symbol on the back of there. But you know, it'll do the thing. I can put something on top of it to cover it. It'll be right. Right. So I probably need to start thinking about putting a roof on this thing. You'll have to go on there. You can be a 5 there. I've got to build you up to there. So I can grab one of them and probably back to one of them. And right, that's them done. So I guess you will have to be one of them. You'll slope back down. I guess we shall have maybe some of them. 5 them. How are we going to do this? So we can repeat the front little double forks there. That will be one of them, and there, and special block to the rescue. So if I got one of them, that one there is back to front. So I shall grab all armour blocks. Where are we? Armour blocks. I think that should be the mirror there. Yes, and it fits nicely. I'll take that. Then we shall have a 5 way, because my fat ass is in the way. And you. That'll probably do us. And you. And what can we say? I can't see a thing, that's what I can say. Yeah, that doesn't look like crap. I shall put... This is a non-essential area, so that might be the beautiful place to put a lightning rod. Right, getting close to time to cut this thing loose. That drill has done its thing. So let's lose a whole lot. Do I have? I do have plate. Not me. Right. You are searching wheels. I shall want left and right. So, which side are we on now? We're on the right hand side. So, probably the right ones. Arrow points up. And the left one. Oops, the arrow points up. Cool. Now, let's get that fixed up. 1, 2, and 5. Right, I think we should get ready to cut this puppy loose. So, we shall cut you out. We are all safe at that end. And here goes nothing. It's not going to fall. What have I missed? Okay, that's weird. Info, convert to ship. Wheels. Oh, forgot to put the brakes on. That might be a little problematic. Well, let's just put a chock in the wheels, shall we? That might be safer. Yeah, remember to put the brakes on before you actually dislodge it. Important little thing to know. I can't just put it in the cockpit, can I? Control seat. Handbrake, there we go. I can do it. Right, yeah, because that's not a good way for it to be. So now, I shall probably need to move that. I'll probably need to finish building the wheels, and we can get going. Okay, I don't really like doing this near that hole, so I might have to move it forward. If I can. I only need one wheel functional to roll it forward. So I might do that, and then I can probably plug it back in again. You're not going to roll. Not going to roll. We're good. Okay, so to get back into it, can I? No. So what I shall do is grab the wheels. What I should be able to do with these is, well, I'll put the height set up to maximum, but I should be able to put the strength down to 0, and it just belly flops, and I'm into it. Easy. And I shall just pull it a bit further forward. Oh, okay. Found the lightning rod. Yep, there it is. Right, now I'm not dangling in the hole. Bit happier about that. Plate. Oh, I've really run out of plate. Let's bring in a basic assembler. And bring you back with a, whoops, a little more yourself. Right. Now, we should swap out a few of them, because you should be one of our special blocks, which is this one here. This is one that I use a lot. It is not in the standard set, so the extra blocks are worth it just for that one there. 2, 5. I'll go get a load of silicon. Probably best unload this one first, hadn't I? Okay, I might build that up, then I can unload everything a lot quicker. Right, you're done. Now, to hook onto here, I'm going to need I shall grab some of them. Now, if we're going to hook you into here, I shall probably need to add some braking torque. Right, and we're good. Probably set actually velocity after use that way. Right, we're good. So no. So lower limit we shall set to 0. Right. Now conveyor. If I grab them, we shall just have an elbow down, straight, another elbow. I guess we're going to unload it. We may get a sorter and a connector. Yeah, there we go. Boom. So I can just hook you up, it'll suck everything out of that thing into this thing. At least that's the plan. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're good. You're good. Boop. And almost got everything. There, we're done. We're good. Right, so we shall say for you, you are not used for parking. You are the connector hinged. No strength. Alright, we're good. Now the sorter, we shall drain all. We shall whitelist ore. Now we should be good to connect up. Whoop. Yep, we're good now. Camera rear. Oops. Rear view. 9. There we go. Now I should just let down the suspension. Whoop. And if I put on my connector, which is you, switch lock, you're ready to 5. So now I should be able to say, oops, what's on this one? Our nickel should get sucked out, which it is not getting done. Cargo. Let's drag it across. I can't drag it across. Why can't I drag it across? What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? You're going the right way. You're all connected. Oh, you're a T conveyor. You're... crap. So you're pointing the wrong direction. So you've got one on that one, you had a connector on the top and you had a connector on the bottom, which means there's nothing on this side here connecting it back to the system. You stupid idiot. Okay, well, no point talking about it. Let's get it done. Right, so, yeah, yes, that's the connector on the top, so... Well, bye-bye to you. You haven't got your park brake on. Well, we can weld that back on, so it's not a complete loss. I shall need, gee, I might put once again I'll put an armoured conveyor on there. We'll just point it the right direction this time, that might be handy. Straight armoured conveyor. If I put you there, this time facing out that way, you should be connected in. And if I say, grab a weld pad, grab 2 of them, move forward a little, I can put a weld pad on there, and on there. Just you're done. And you're done. I hope this works. I should just be able to slowly, done. No clang, we're good. We're connected. Right, so now, this vessel, it's pulling out on the nickel. Excellent. So that's dumped all the crap out of here, as quick as you like. And I can go and get some silicon. Now, there's my thing over there. Now, one thing I have noticed, I can actually configure these panels. I just figured this out. So we're in the cockpit. Gravity's probably not much use to us, so if we pick the top right screen, I can actually have a weather report. There we go. It's dusty. Thank you. I would have never guessed that. What do I know? I'm not a weatherman. Right, so there we go to about, yeah, press 9, and back we go. Alright, up. Oh, that's a bit harsh. Oh, heavy suspension right down. Oh well. Yeah, sure. Park. And 5, we're locked. That should be sucking all the silicon out. Right, empty. Should be. Yes it is, that's alright. All is going cool. So now when I want to leave, I can just lift that hinge up, it'll just pick the vehicle up, and I'm out of here. Yeah, that's what we've got. So still got a bit to do. I'll probably finish off the rest of that roof, and I've still got to get an ore detector on there, and I still have to get a projector on there. Other than that, we're looking pretty good. Well, I can put a cargo access, because I've got a cargo port there. I have a modded conveyor, which is a cargo access port, and it's a half block, so it'll fit on the bottom of my Rover, not a problem. I just need a cargo access port, so I can build the cargo access port. There we go. Done. Actually, on the other side, I should have another one, which I haven't built yet. But I'll have one there, and I shall need a vent on the outside. I can put that down here in the same sort of way. Gotcha. Now a vent which won't do anything because it's the thing above it hasn't been connected up, but there we go. We have a vent. No, downwards, depressurize. On. Right, you're there. Now, I'm not really liking this bit around here. So let's get rid of that. I think you shall be that and that, that, and 5. No. Oh, and I'll need some plates. Plate. That'll do us. I'll probably seal that up too, can't I? Done. Right, so probably do the same thing we had on the other side, which was you. Actually, what we could do here, if I could get rid of that one, I could probably put a probably put you onto there and there, and then put 5 into there, and I can put a charging station onto here. So that way I don't have to build it onto the things that I want to charge from. I can just pull up to it and then plug this thing straight into it, and it can just suck the power out of its own accord. So, yep. There we go. Yeah, that'll work. And I'll just redo this side as well in the same sort of fashion. Now I could put in ore detector. Ore detector pointing up. Sure. Still need a projector. See, you're up. You're connected. Well, you'll probably be covered in there, so I could probably put the projector right in there. Face forward, that's up, good. You. Which means you're probably going to be a full block in there. You do a full block in there. Now, you shall be a 7. Yep. Right. Now, can I put... Yep. There. Yeah, I can't put them there. I think that's just because the suspension's lowered. Right, so if I raise that back up again, I say my base wheels, increase strength, decrease strength, add wheels. Alright, so if I push 1, we bounce up. We're good. Now I should now be able to put in my, yeah, there we go. 6, whoops. There we go. Right. Yeah. I need to get the lights in a few other spots. Right. How about... I might be actually pretty good with what we've done there. I might just... Oh, I forgot about you. Don't need you anymore. Oh shit. That's a lightning storm. Yep, that's a lightning storm. Okay, it is definitely time for the build and repair. Yep. Get inside. Switch on the build and repair. Yeah, there's one lightning rod gone. Oh shit, that was something blew up. On. Walk. Weld only. No grinding. No grinding. There we go. Now, what have you found? Wheels. Don't worry about the wheels or the hinges. Oh shit, did I just get zapped out of my seat? You bastard, you stupid bastard lightning. Build that lightning rod. Oh, I've got a thingy outside. Oh, you're doing it, it's alright. Yeah, build that lightning rod. Bastard lightning. There we go, I now have a safety net. The build and repair will rebuild that. Oh, it's taking a bit of damage. Will keep that built for me, and that'll keep me safe from lightning. Hopefully. So here, suck it lightning. Something did blow up. Oh, it was the other one. It was you. Oh, shh. Yeah, I feel so safe. Thanks, lightning rod. Yeah, that might be an issue. I might try and get G button. I can grab you, put you there. Oh, give me back my thingo. 5, right. Now, here we go. Right. Now that I don't really need it anymore, we can just say groups, base wheels, reduce strength, or decrease strength. Now I should just go to push the button and the whole thing lowers down. Awesome. Okay, it's kind of dark in here, so I guess I'm going to need a light, of course. Yep. Yes. There we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we are not airtight in here. Well, probably because we haven't got the windows done. Oh wow, this place got trashed. Look at that. Thank you, lightning. Now, I shall want... I've got to block that off. I can probably put a bed in there. So I can put a bed in there. That'll airtight that one. What else do I want? I shall need a programmable block to the doors, so I can got Izzy's simple doors. Of course, they're from Izzy. Who doesn't use Izzy's scripts? Whoops. So I'll need one of them for the doors. That can cover up that ugly spot on the top of the light. Now I want a table, of course. Cure the crisis talks there. I don't have to eat without a table. Yay. So I guess the kitchen will be the obvious one to put in front of the food dispenser. Garden, bar in front of the bed. Oh, cappuccino machine. That's got to go there. Can't go without that. Put some boxes. Yeah, why not? Planter. Should really put that in front of the toilet, shouldn't I? And a bar there. Why not? Wait a minute. That's not a kitchen. Oops. 9. Kitchen. That's the one we want. So that's all that done there. I should probably better put a rail into there. Yep, there it is. Well done. And we're starting to look pretty good. That wall's screaming at me to be someone else. I don't like it. Every time I walk past. There's something missing here. Oh, that's easy fixed. One of them. That'll work. Right. Now, character tools. Now, I just painted a camouflage red, as it has to be if it's mine. I'll take this row as well. Which means we're going inside too. Yep. I can see you behind there. Now, what do we do with this piece here? I mean, it's got all these textures on the path. I don't want to completely cover it up. I do want something with it. I'll work around it and leave it as a hole. Right. So for 7, do it in red. You up to here, I can go with something like the 5 there. Oop, there. How's that look? Yeah, that's alright. Let's do it on the other side now, I guess. That looks pretty right. Some turrets. Ooh, I have new turrets now, don't I? I have new turrets. Artillery assault cannon. I can build them. Look at that. Aha! Now we're cooking. How's that looking? Now, the big test. You're all done. Ha! We're airtight! I have a sealed thing in here. So, I shall call this doors. I shall put in easy simple doors, and I press OK, and that is done. That's all you have to do. So it detects doors that are back to back like those ones there, and it makes them act as an airlock. Because now if I go into here, it locks that door, I can't open it. I'll close that door behind me and open this one over here, so that I don't vent the whole space. And it's as simple as load the script and it automatically detects all of those airlocks. It's that simple. I'm pretty happy with that one. I'll connect up my little machine, and I guess build and repair, you've done your job, so I can switch you off until the next storm. Yeah, I think that's come out alright. How are we doing for charge? Oh, we're below halfway. Okay, so I might have to leave it sitting on the charger here for a little while and let it grow. But anyway, why can I still see the scout batteries from here? It's not connected. But anyway, we have weapons. We have everything there. We are ready to go. We are mobile. So next time out we can, well, given that we only got enough magnesium to build, let's say, about 5 lots of rounds, I might have to go and get some more magnesium to start. But other than that, we're all up and running. We are ready to hit the road again. So next time out, we shall do exactly that. We shall hit the road and get out of here. So, till next time, happy building. See ya.